Nothing. Thank you.
Your opinion about
Yeah, I mean, it's been a long series, ups and downs, but we've gone into Madrid and taken 2 games, so we're not holding our hat on that, but we know it's possible. We just need to stick to the game plan.
how much do the kind of Kevin Ponder be meaningful for the team and for the play? We saw how much he was important in the first 2 games and how much he was missed in the second.
Yeah, I think his game fits perfect for what we're trying to do. Just them being in a zone, the shooting, having Tavares sit back and drop coverage, being able to pull up. So I think it opens up a lot of game for us, and I think not only for having him back on the floor, but just as our captain and being there to be able to lead us. No, I think we all know this is just another game. A lot of prep has gone on this, obviously, but they've done the same thing. So we just need to go out there, play our game like we know we can, and we'll come out with a victory.
How much in your history do you know that none teams ever made it after to win away to win the 5th game? So will that be a discrimination?
I mean, it doesn't really matter what other teams have done. This is about what we're doing and what we're doing right now. So that doesn't play any factor into us going into game plan.